steaming and leaving this short piece of inwale clamped in the boat on the other side. We've removed it. It's got a nice little bit of a curve to it, which doesn't put any undue stress on the ribs wanting to straighten out if I just tried to bend a regular piece of wood in there. So I'm just going to clamp it underneath where it's going to be replaced, mark, and cut, and start fitting it in. Take it out, take it to the bandsaw, quick cut. So the quick cut on the bandsaw, just take it to the disc sander, get a nice clean scarf edge for a nice clean joint. We'll just take it back to the boat, do a little test run, see if it's a nice fit, dry fit before epoxying it in place. So following the dry fit, we'll just mix up a little epoxy, brush it on all the bare surfaces, then what's remaining we'll thicken up with a little bit of adhesive powder and then clamp it in place. With a couple of C-clamps in place, be nice to see a little bit of thickened epoxy squeezing out on all the edges. So once we have it clamped in place, we'll just clean up any squeeze out, maybe tighten down the clamps a little bit more, and check for alignment, and leave it overnight to cure.